Hello again, and welcome to another Pursuing Travel with the Millers episode. We're going to head to the Ovation of the Seas, which is a Quantum class Royal Caribbean ship that is one of their newer and larger ships. So let's head to our room that we stayed in while on the Ovation of the Seas to give it a little tour. We were in the far forward in a spacious ocean view room that had really great views and a lot of room. And you'll see here, taking a look at it, have a good sized couch. We have plenty of storage space, a mini fridge where we were able to put our waters and other kind of drinks and things in there. And then a king size bed, a good amount of storage space, the traditional safe that's there. Only kind of thing that was a little bit of a drawback is it's a little bit tight walking past the bed, but otherwise was good. And then you got the USS Iowa, which this ship completely eclipses the large World War II battleship. And then continuing on, we'll take a look at the bathroom here. It's a pretty traditional bathroom for any kind of cruise ship. Not exactly at a tremendous amount of room, but still nice. But yeah, we really enjoyed this room. It's probably one of our favorite rooms. In some ways, we like it even better than some of the balcony rooms we've been in because of the great relaxing views. You could sit inside in the AC and just enjoy the relaxing views as we walked in. There's Cabo San Lucas and the Land's End view. And then you also got to see things like this, plenty of dolphins and sea life that we find in the Pacific, that we've seen whales, sharks, and then tons of dolphins like you can see here just off the coast of Baja, California. So we actually, once again, got to see some more dolphins and sea life, um, just sitting there relaxing in our room. And that's not all. We were able to, of course, take a look and view Baja, California, and other areas. There's always a lot to see, we find, in the Pacific when we're sailing there. It's not to say that the Caribbean or Atlantic doesn't have things to see, but we seem to see more sea life and other things in the Pacific. So it's really a great room, and we would definitely do it again. Thanks for watching. Visit our website and subscribe if you like this content. And feel free to reach out to us because we can book your Royal Caribbean adventure.